The lower boom assembly consists of the outer housing tube, the drive shaft, and the shaft bushings. The components come pre-assembled. Common problems with the boom assembly are worn drive shaft ends, a broken drive shaft, worn bushings, or damage to the outer tube. Replacing the lower boom assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the deflector from the shaft. Next, I'll remove the trimmer head. Now I'll remove the lower shaft from the upper shaft. Now I'll remove the guard bracket from the shaft. Now I can begin installing the new lower shaft. First, I'll reinstall the guard bracket. Now I'll reinstall the lower shaft to the upper. As I do this, I need to make sure that the two cables align. It may be necessary to rotate the shaft as I insert the two halves together. And I'll secure the shaft with the screws. Now I can reinstall the trimmer head. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the guard. Snap it onto the shaft and align it with the bracket. Now insert the bolt and secure it with the wing nut. And that's all it takes to install a new lower boom assembly on your trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.